Henry Pulling.
I'd like to take a sample for analysis.
If you think I'm going to let you play around with my poor mother...
Now, I quite understand how you feel, sir. But we took some fluff from the man Wordsworth's pocket. And when analysed...
We're off to Istanbul. A long life is not a question of years. A man without memories might live to be 100 and feel his life had been a brief one. Oh, Henry, can you believe that this is part of a railway station with all these paintings?
Attention, les voyageurs pour l'Orient Express. Attention, les voyageurs pour l'Orient Express. Lausanne, Milan.
I'll just get us something to read.
Oh, yes. Something must be wrong.
Ciao mamma, mamma mia.
Caro ragazzo. Mario, figlio mio.
Mamma mia.
Mario. Mario mio. Oh, caro.
Oh. Ciao, bella. Oh, ciao, benissimo, benissimo, ciao.
What was that all about?
Oh, money and Mr. Visconti. They've been in contact with Mario, too. He's to be the intermediary. Oh, no. He writes verse drama.
Can he live on that? A gigolo. Rather disgusting at his age.
Age. Age has nothing to do with it, Henry.
I don't mind warm Pepsi.
Ham? Can I call you Smudge?
Why Smudge?
Henry, we'll soon be in Istanbul.